We are in downtown Los Angeles right now. And today we want to show you a medium-size pepperoni pizza with olives from Domino's Pizza. Here you see the status of your pizza. That's the area where the pizzas got prepared. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes till your pizza is ready. And here is our pizza. Let us first have a look at the pizza box from outside. You can collect points that can get redeemed for rewards, like a free pizza. If you are not completely satisfied, there is the Domino's guarantee that they will make it right. On the back of the box there are carry-out tips on how to hold the box the best. You can balance it with one hand and evenly spreaded fingers. Or you can hold the box with two hands, for a more secure way. Okay, let us finally open this box. It is a pepperoni salami top pizza with extra olives. There is also cheese and a bit oregano on it. The pizza tastes crispy and has a great texture and flavor. On the bottom of the pizza are typical for Domino's, some cornmeal crumbles, which gives the pizza its unique Domino's style taste. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.